Hello guys, today we're gonna review this security door lock. They're portable, you can bring them wherever you go. Comes with a bag right here, and it's actually super easy to install. And I have another one like this. This one has thicker uh, handle, so I'll show you how to install this one. First, plug it in to your, let me see if it does not fit here, so let's see. That does not fit here, so you can put it on your lock. Put it in like that, close the door. Alright, this one is getting in the way. When you're closing the door, you can take this out. Let's see if I can take it out. Okay, so put this in and then hold it. So once it's in, all we have to do is slide this just like that, and nobody will be able to open that door. So you can actually put this on this other side just so you won't lose it. Hey guys, I highly recommend this. These are very effective and it will secure your door. Nobody can enter. Thank you for watching.